Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best drill bit kits available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have DEWALT Bit Kit. The ToughCase Plus system is a connectable case system designed to optimize storage space and keep your bits organized. The bit bar design of the drill driver set allows for easy bit removal and the clear lid allows you to see inside at a glance. FlexTorq Impact Ready accessories deliver exceptional performance for extreme torque applications. FlexTorq bits in the bit driver set feature an extended flex torque zone to transfer optimal torque in hard joint applications. That's providing durability and longer life. The bit tip is CNC machined for a precise fit that's reducing cam out under torque. At number 6 we have ENERTWIST Bit Kit. Drill bits made from high-grade HSS material and coated titanium nitride to reduce heat buildup. This 118 degrees point tip makes them with maximum durability and lasts x6 more than conventional bits. It is ideal for drilling in metal, wood, fiberglass and plastics. All sizes are indexed on tray to keep all components organized with sponge cushion between the upper and lower halves to avoid bits straggling and mixing. At number 5 we have DEWALT Bit Kit. DEWALT's titanium drill bits have a titanium coating that provides longer life when drilling in non-ferrous metals. These bits are also suitable for drilling in wood and plastic and are ideal for commercial and residential applications. The speed tip design reduces walking on start and the no spin keeps the bit secure in the drill. Also includes 14 bits sized from 1/16 to 1/2 inch and a plastic ToughCase. At number 4 we have ENERTWIST Bit Kit. This drill bit's made from superior HSS material, titanium coated for long-lasting strength and durability. Along with variety of specialist drill bits and accessories for wood, metal, cement, plastic drilling as well as multiple driving and fastening applications. It comes in a durable carrying case with a distinctive black and orange color maps and clearly laid out molded placeholders. It's designed to keep all drill bits and driver set organized and allow for easy transportation. Number 3 we have Hami Bit Kit. This classic HSS construction comes with titanium coating for capability and durability. The cutting edge is hardened and honed for sharpness. Chatter-free design with staggered cutting teeth ensure the precise countersinking and hole smooth clean. It can be used multiple times without deformation. The 2 flutes form helps clear chips and debris away from the bit, decreasing friction and heat for a faster, cooler drilling process. At number 2 we have ENERTWIST Bit Kit. This screwdriver bit set is made using stainless steel and impact-resistant materials that are durable and sturdy enough to handle daily use even in the long run. They are corrosion-resistant, easy to maintain and a breeze to organize. This driver bit set is compatible with most drills and screwdrivers along with offering customizable placement to provide the perfect fit. They are ideal for drilling and screwing in metal, cement, wood, plastic and more. The screwdriver and drill bit set comes neatly packed in a strong storage case. That provides you with a convenient way to keep the drill bits organized at home and on the go. At number 1 we have City Bit Kit. It is designed to prevent rusting, which increase the hardness of the drill bit and reduces heat buildup. That's make the twist drill bit more wear resisting and lasts 6 times longer than common high-speed steel drill bits. The 135 degrees fast cutting point is automatically centered and penetrates quickly with less pressure. The drill kit meets all your requirements. In the heavy-duty plastic storage case all sizes are indexed on tray to keep all components organized. It comes with sponge cushion between the upper and lower halves to avoid the drill bit straggling and mixing. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best drill bit kits for your need.